Marin Headlands, it's a great visit. You know, as you go up the hill, you can see the bikers. It's not just great cardio, it really gives you an anticipation for what you are about to see. It's, I hate to say it, all about the views. And you get a little hint of what is going to happen in the future as well. So it's very informative, and it's education, and it's a fun education as well. Now you're going to go by the old abandoned military buildings, and you can see the iron gates, very kind of scary in a way. And you're going to go by these buildings on the path to the Golden Gate Bridge, where you'll see everything from Tiburon to San Francisco Bay. As you go up that path to the Golden Gate Bridge, it's quite a nice walk where you'll see San Francisco. You will see the fence of locks, showing that love is forever. And of course, the iconic San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. And now, mind you, the battery structure is wearing out over time, but people are trying to maintain it, and they give some pretty good advice. Now, of course, there's 3 guns that protect the whole bay. Wow, they must have been really strong guns. And you can see the military facilities, and kind of interesting. It's scary in a way. Stay on the pass because you want to keep it good for the other people. And you can see into the Robin Williams Tunnel in the distance. Battery iron door. And you can see the window for the military bunker. Very interesting. I hate to say it, it is all about the views up here. And you can see the military barracks as well. And you can see the view of Kanzaman Road. And you can see the Bay Spencer Trail. And of course the sailboats in the San Francisco Golden Gate Bay. Very beautiful city indeed.